Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Certain broad features of the said act may be noticed. Stop. The government under section 3 of the act had power to sell by auction, allotment or otherwise any land or building. Stop. The consideration money was to be paid in such a manner as the government may prescribe. Stop. The unpaid portion of the consideration money was to be first charged on the site or building. Stop. The transferee, except with the previous permission in writing of the estate officer, was prohibited to sell, mortgage or otherwise transfer any right, title or interest in the site or building until the amount which was a first charge had been paid in full. Stop. Section 8 of the Act permitted the government to proceed against the transferee to realize the amount due on consideration money or on installment or any other due as an arrear of land revenue. Stop. Section 8 further provided for imposition of penalty for default in payment of money and the recovery of the same as an arrear of land revenue. Stop. Besides this provision providing statutory security for the unpaid portion of the consideration money, etc., Section 9 of the Act gave power to the estate officer to cause resumption of the site or building sold under Section 3 in the case of non-payment of consideration money or any installment thereof, or in the case of breach of any other condition of such transfer or breach of any rules made under the Act. Stop. Section 9 further gave the power to the estate officer that he could in his discretion forfeit the whole of any part of the money, if any, paid in respect of the transfer of any site or building under Section 3. Stop. Next para. The wires of Section 9 of the Act came to be questioned in letters patent appeal number 218 of 1965 start Jagdish Chand Radhe Shyam versus State of Punjab close, decided by a division bench of this court on 21 February 1966. Stop. In that case, the then petitioner had purchased a commercial site on installments and being permitted to assume possessions thereon had raised a construction and installed machinery therein. Stop. On his defalcation to make timely payments of installments, the site was resumed. The sum paid towards consideration money was forfeited. Stop. The appellate order, which was left uninterfered with in revision, allowed the resumption to be set aside subject to payment of arrears with interest penalty to the extent of 10% of the execution of a conveyance deed in respect of the site. Stop.